Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming permissions and choosing a voice path. First, open WhatsApp and allow microphone access, otherwise no audio will capture. Then install a reputable voice changer app. Pick real time if you want to alter while recording or post record for editing after. Once done, plug in headphones to avoid echo and choose the correct mic in phone settings. Make sure the voice changer's audio routing is set to feed system sound or the microphone input, so WhatsApp records the altered voice. Now you'll actually create the altered voice message. If you chose real time, open the voice changer and enable live mode, pick your effect, and then press and hold WhatsApp's record button, speak naturally and release when done. If you're editing after, record the WhatsApp note normally, export or save the audio, and import it into the voice changer app to apply effects. Make adjustments to pitch, speed, and timbre, and preview short clips to ensure clarity and natural pacing before finalizing. Finish by saving and sending the altered voice message. If you recorded inside WhatsApp with live effects, simply review and send. If you processed audio externally, export as MP3 or Opus, then attach it in the chat using the paperclip icon. If something goes wrong, silence, low volume, or no effect, recheck microphone permissions and the voice changer's routing, toggle the live mode, and restart both apps. A quick reboot of your phone often clears routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.